Managing Venmo payments is a straightforward process that can be broken down into several steps. To start, you need to have a Venmo account, which you can create by downloading the Venmo app and following the sign-up process. Once you have an account, you can begin sending and receiving payments. The first step in managing Venmo payments is to link a payment method to your account. This can be a bank account, credit card, or debit card. To do this, go to the Settings section of the app and select Payment Methods. From here, you can add a new payment method by entering the relevant information. Next, you can start sending payments to friends or family members. To do this, simply enter the recipient's username or phone number, the amount you want to send, and a brief description of the payment. You can also add a note or emoji to the payment to make it more personal. When it comes to receiving payments, Venmo will notify you when someone sends you money. You can then choose to transfer the funds to your bank account or leave them in your Venmo balance. It's generally a good idea to transfer the funds to your bank account to avoid any potential fees. Another important aspect of managing Venmo payments is keeping track of your transactions. The Venmo app allows you to view a history of all your transactions, including payments sent and received. You can also use this section to search for specific transactions or filter by date. To avoid any issues with your Venmo account, it's essential to keep your account information up to date. This includes your email address, phone number, and payment methods. You should also be cautious when sending payments to avoid any potential scams or phishing attempts. In terms of best practices, it's a good idea to only send payments to people you know and trust. You should also be mindful of any fees associated with using Venmo, such as the fee for instant transfers. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your Venmo payments and avoid any potential issues. Overall, managing Venmo payments is a simple and convenient process. By linking a payment method, sending and receiving payments, tracking your transactions, and keeping your account information up to date, you can make the most of the Venmo service.